Ali from High Class Auto. Today we have a beautiful 2013 Chevy 3500 Express with a box body. The truck has a side door. It also features a Tommy Gate aluminum rear hydraulic lift gate. It's electric over hydraulic. Rear door, it's all aluminum. It's got a box that's in beautiful condition. The truck itself has 4 brand new tires on it. It is a single rear wheel configuration. It is part of a fleet purchase that we made. The interior is spotless. The seats are all in great shape. Non-smoker van, AM FM radio. It does have air conditioning. It has all its books and manuals, 2 sets of keys. The truck has 190,614 miles on it. Does not show it one bit. The driver's seat's immaculate condition, which normally you always have that seat rip when you get in and out of the vehicle, but this one is actually in great shape. This whole truck is all in all in excellent condition and above average condition. This is a unique box truck with a side door, steps, and again that lift gate in the rear. The interior seems to be dry with no apparent leaks. It does feature an overhead lighting and is 100% sealed. No leaks whatsoever. We just had a major snowstorm. This thing is dry. The wood is all in good shape. The interior is in excellent shape. It does have the cargo track package, which you could secure all your cargo inside so it doesn't bounce around when you're driving. And that Tommy lift gate, it's electric over hydraulic, very easy to operate. Goes right up. (860-352-2530). We have all your commercial solutions at High Class Auto in Canton, Connecticut. Our reputation comes first before money.